Hello my fellow hackers. In this video we will learn about different versions of HTTP. The HTTP version tells the server to pass the request appropriately. The version 1.0 is obsolete now and almost the whole World Wide Web has been moved to the most widely used version, that is version 1.1 or version 2.0. HTTP 3.0 is the latest version of HTTP which uses an entirely new transport layer protocol called QUIC instead of our traditional TCP. For now, we will discuss a little bit about HTTP version 1.1 and version 2.0. We have already seen the request and response message format of HTTP 1.1. HTTP2 is the derivative of Google's PD protocol, which tries to solve the issues faced in previous version of HTTP. HTTP2 leaves all high-level semantic of HTTP 1.1 unchanged. Means as a developer or security researcher, we want to see any differences in request and response message format. What makes HTTP2 different from HTTP 1.1 is the way data is framed and transferred between server and client. Unlike HTTP 1.1, which keeps all request and response in plain text format, HTTP2 uses the binary framing layer to encapsulate all messages in binary format. It gives HTTP2 a greater flexibility to transfer the data out of order. In addition to this, HTTP2 can send multiple streams of data using a single TCP connection. Apart from binary framing and multiplexing, HTTP2 also provides advanced compression method, stream prioritization, and server push. All of this functionality help us to achieve greater speed and better utilization of bandwidth using HTTP2. Also note that HTTP2 must not use any connection specific header fields such as proxy connection, keep alive, transfer encoding, and upgrade. The only exception to this is the TE header field, which may be present in HTTP2 request, and when it is present, it must not contain any value other than trailers. And also all the field name must be converted to lowercase when constructing an HTTP2 message. Now let's talk about the security in HTTP2. Although the standard itself does not require the use of encryption, all major browser implementation of HTTP2 have decided that they will only support HTTP2 over TLS version 1.2 or higher. In fact, browser distinguish between clear text HTTP2 and HTTP2 over TLS as two different protocols. Encrypted HTTP2 is called S2 and clear text HTTP2 is called S2C. Okay, so that is all the major differences between HTTP 1.1 and HTTP2 that I know about. If you want to read more upon this, I'll provide the URL of all the resources in the description. Okay, so that is all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.